Aloha, this is Donya, and today we talk about the free play through scales. Who don't know me so far, I'm Donya, your ukelista who brews you some nice, sweet, and tasty ukulele tutorials. So many people do know me as your ukulista who explain you the classical baritone style, but now I go up more in further details with my profession as a sound and music therapist and prepare you to be ready for the free play without being a perfect or studied musician, but with the basic knowledge, you can join the great journey of your self expression and healing through music. So, today, the scale we talk about is the C major scale, which is often known as a festive, clear, and present scale, and very focusing. So if you are in the mood, very clear and delight, or you want to get clarity, so try it with the key of C. Also, you can use the key of za, which means C sharp. This is the Indian crowned key. It comes from the philosophy of Nada Brahma, which means the world is sound, and the world did or was born through the sound, the main bang, and everything started to grow and so on. So this is also a very grounding key. So next week I'm gonna talk about the C minor scale and go further more step into the explanation. I already showed you in my tutorials, in my playlist of the 5 to 4s about the scales and the box shape systems. So if you are not familiar with it, check the tutorials about box shape and scales and its formula. So today we talk about C major. I just repeat the formula, which is the root, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So, and we start, I play here the baritone, and we start at the 5th fret with our regular box shape. And as a little bridge in your head, with the last stinky pinky finger, it is 2 frets up, and we can go to the next box shape. So as soon as you were familiar with this scale and system, you can play, for example, like I did an example in the beginning, with a regular C chord. And fiddle around what you feel, how you want to express yourself, and what you try to explain and show up your emotions. So listen to your heart, what it tries to tell you, or feel your body, because the key or note of C is also for the root chakra, and this is in the lower region of your lower body, and so you're grounded. And to get in clarity, just play along that scale and check out where are your belongings for it. So if you want to have more details about the C major scale and the musical or music therapy background, check out my Patreon site and gonna be my Patreon. Or wait, I gonna write a book about it, but first I write my book about the Spanish ukulele, but they will come in the next few weeks, or I hope in the next 3 months. Otherwise, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or write me an email. Otherwise, I wish you fun with fiddling around with the C major scale and get clear and feel free with your free play and emotions. Love you, see you soon for the next tutorial. Doña.